Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today's Thursday, January 27th, and what we have happening at the moment is the market beginning to fall below the Atlas line. There's a couple of problems that exist. The first is the volatility. I've fixed that by using a smaller time frame. So usually when using a 5-minute chart or a 1-minute chart, we have some normal conditions where we don't have a lot of risk. Because the market's been so volatile, I have to switch it down to a smaller time frame. So currently the chart you're looking at is a 30-second chart. Even so, you can see that the ATR, the average true range, is 6 points. And that's large volatility, a lot of volatility. So if you're trading, be careful. As you know, we always recommend that you practice first. Trading is risky, and please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. So there's a short at 43.84 on the Atlas line that just occurred. I'm going to go short here on the Atlas line.
Order filled.
Okay, so here we have a short signal. I'm going to drop the target in relationship to the ATR. I'm going to go for 5 points. So I'm going to go for a 5-point target. There. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Okay, so now I have a 5-point target. I also have a stop that should be actually right at the Atlas line, but it happened so quickly. Let me just add the text and marker. I didn't have a chance to do that. Text and marker. Okay, so this is, let me just expand this out. This is a Atlas line trade, 43.84 to go short. Okay. And as we continue on for the day, a 5-point target using 5 contracts, it's a pretty good sum of money. And when you look at it as a general whole, we're not looking to trade 10 or 20 times a day. 2 or 3 trades a day. If you're up for the day, I always recommend that you stop. And I'm just focused right now on the Atlas line. When it crossed, that is an opportunity to sell the market. If you have any questions, email us at DayTradeToWin.com. There's a Contact Us page. Find out the next class happening for mentorship, how to join our upcoming classes. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.